पिछले क्लास में हम लोगों ने प्रॉफिट लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट पढ़ा था। आज हम पढ़ेंगे पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। फर्म डब्ल्यूटी सिस्टम बेस पर अकाउंट मेंटेन करती है, ये हम सबको मालूम। ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट। इन प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट का एक एक्सटेंशन होता है, वो प्रॉफिट लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट होता है। प्रॉफिट लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बनाने का पीछे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव to prepare the profit loss appropriation account is to divide the profit, distribute the profit among the partners. Then whatever capital maintained by the firm of the partner, that may change, that may not change, depends on the agreement how to maintain, how to keep the capital account of the partners. So firm maintains the capital account of the partners on the two bases: fixed capital account and the fluctuating capital account. Fixed capital account means the capital once invested at the beginning, or which is called original capital, will remain constant throughout the life of the business, except in some unserious circumstances or in any emergency circumstances. Unless it will remain constant unless the amount introduced as capital or drawn as per agreement. That is fixed capital account. It will remain same every year. The amount invested remain constant every year, will not change by anyhow unless any agreement being made regarding the further introduction of the capital or withdrawing the capital. Besides of this, all those items which may affect the capital account of the partners, that is interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, salary and share in profit or loss. All these items will be entered or recorded in the another account which is called current account. So when the fixed capital basis is there, then two accounts are maintained for the partners. That is, one is partners capital account and partners current account. In the partners capital account, the capital originally invested will remain constant, will never change unless additional capital invested or withdrawn from it. Whereas the partner's current account, all the items such as drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, share in profit will be taken into the current account. Second basis is there, that is fluctuating capital basis. Fluctuating capital basis, as the name depicts, the capital may change. The partner's capital may change, it may fluctuate, it is flexible. That flexibility regarding the capital once invested originally and during the period of time, during the year, the amount credited to the partners or debited from partners will also affect the capital account, such as drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, share in profit or loss. That is also kept in the single account which is called single partners capital account. Capital account. So under the fixed capital basis, we will maintain two partners capital account, partners current account, and in the fluctuating capital account, we will prepare partners capital. Now, what is the format of it? How it is shown in the books of accounts? See it under fixed basis and under fluctuating basis both. Fixed basis. Partners capital account, by balance brought down or by bank we can write as capital invested, and if the additional capital introduced, then we will write by bank further additional capital, that is called additional capital. If it is not introduced, so it will not be written. Or amount drawn from capital to bank, capital reduced, to balance carried down. Carried down or carried forward. The capital once invested originally, if there is no change introduced or drawn, then it will remain constant. And the current account is also prepared under this one, fixed capital basis, that is partners current account. Suppose current account is already appearing or that was maintained. If there is some balance, we will write the balance. By balance brought down. For creating the interest on capital, by interest on capital. By salary or commission. By profit, if any, that is called share in profit. Two drawings to interest on drawings. Total the credit side and later the debit side total, you will find the balance that is called to balance carried down. The capital is changed now. This is partner's current account. Now, how the partner's capital account is maintained in the under the fluctuating capital basis? By balance brought down. By interest on capital. By salary. By profit. If loss is there, that will appear in the debit side. To drawings. To interest on drawings. And finally, we will find the balance. You know how to calculate asset and the balance, total the credit side, total debit side, difference is called the balance. To balance carried down. This is fluctuating basis partners capital account. Now we will learn how to calculate the interest on capital and what is the treatment of interest on capital. Interest on capital. This is very important thing, but the interest on capital will be credited to the partners only if there is an agreement. If there is no agreement, it will not allowed to any partner. But there is some accounting treatment regarding the interest on capital. The interest on capital will be allowed, it is true, if there is an agreement. But if there is no agreement, it will not be allowed. So remember students, how it is treated. There are several cases of it. Listen it very carefully. Case number 1, if there is no agreement regarding the interest on capital, so it will not allowed to the partner. Say case 2, if there is an agreement allowing interest on capital, but if it is not mentioned in the agreement or the deed whether it is charge or an appropriation. Charge refers that it will be allowed irrespective of profit or loss. चाहे वो लॉस हो या प्रॉफिट हो, वो देना ही देना है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. That is charge. If an appropriation, then it will be appropriated from the capital. If there is loss, it will not allowed. If there is profit, then it will be allowed. अब सवाल यह है कि क्या माने, अगर एग्रीमेंट में कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ, ये लिखा हुआ है कि इंटरेस्ट अलाउड है, कैपिटल पर इंटरेस्ट अलाउड है, लेकिन ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि चार्ज है कि अप्रोप्रिएशन है, तो यहां पर प्रिज्यूम कर देते हैं इट इज टू बी अप्रोप्रिएटेड, ये प्रॉफिट होगी तभी अलाउ होगा, अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं है तो अलाउ नहीं होगा। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ if there is profit, that will be allowed. Now there are two cases, three cases are there. If there is profit more than the amount of interest, amount of interest जो भी जितने पार्टनर हैं उनका कैलकुलेट किया आपने कैपिटल पर इंटरेस्ट, वो टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट प्रॉफिट से कम है या प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है, तो पूरा इंटरेस्ट अलाउड माना जाएगा, दिया जाएगा, और जो प्रॉफिट बचेगी वो बांटा जाएगा आपस में। दूसरा केस, या तो इंटरेस्ट का टोटल अमाउंट सभी क्वार्टर पर वो प्रॉफिट के इक्वल हो, तब तो ठीक है, पूरा पूरा इंटरेस्ट बढ़ गया, प्रॉफिट बची ही नहीं। तीसरा केस हो सकता है कि अगर प्रॉफिट का अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट के टोटल अमाउंट से कम है, प्रॉफिट तो है लेकिन कम है, इसका मतलब इंटरेस्ट तो अलाउड होगा, लेकिन यहां पर अप्रोप्रिएशन करना है, चार्ज तो है नहीं। अगर चार्जेस है तो ठीक है, दे देंगे पूरा जितना होता है इंटरेस्ट और बाकी लॉस हो जाएगी, लेकिन यहां पर अप्रोप्रिएट करना है तो दैट अप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट विल नॉट एक्सीड टू अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, द अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट विल नॉट एक्सीड टू द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट के अमाउंट से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। तो आप कितना क्या करें, जो प्रॉफिट आई है जो कि टोटल इंटरेस्ट से कम है, उस टोटल प्रॉफिट को एज इंटरेस्ट अलाउ किया जाएगा। किस प्रोपोर्शन में? जो अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपने कैलकुलेट किया पार्टनर्स के, उस अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट के रेशियो में उस टोटल प्रॉफिट को एज इंटरेस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया जाएगा। ये ध्यान रखिएगा। इज इट क्लियर? Now interest on capital to be calculated, as you know, you have already learned, interest on capital or interest is calculated on the time basis, and there is simple formula, you know it, P into R into T upon 100, ये आप जानते हैं अच्छे से। प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और टाइम। इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट करना है, बट रिमेंबर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द कैपिटल एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर। जो बिजनेस की शुरुआत में जो कैपिटल थी, उस ईयर के शुरुआत में जो कैपिटल थी, उस पर इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किए जाएंगे। कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि बिजनेसमैन या पार्टनर्स जैसी जब जरूरत पड़ती है कैपिटल को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, बीच में जरूरत पड़ी तो बीच में कैपिटल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, तो उस कंडीशन में इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैसे कैलकुलेट किए। इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, then calculation of interest capital is very important. I've already explained you, discussed with you that simple way of calculating interest is P into R into T upon 100 on the time basis. Now see this question, A and B are partners sharing profit and losses equally, that is 1 by 1, 2, 1 by 2. Capital on April 1st 2018, A rupees 4,80,000 and B 5,40,000. On October 1st 18, they decided the total capital should be 10 lakhs to be contributed equally. इन दोनों पार्टनर ने ये तय किया, ये एग्री किया कि टोटल कैपिटल फर्म की 10 लाख होगी और उस 10 लाख रुपए में दोनों का बराबर का हिस्सा होगा, यानी कि 5 लाख ए का होगा, 5 लाख बी का होगा। अर्थात मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? सिंपली यू सी अप टू ऑन 1st April 18 द कैपिटल ऑफ ए वाज रुपीज 4,80,000 नाउ ऑन 1 अक्टूबर इट विल बिकम ₹5 लाख, यानी कि 4,80,000 रुपए 1 अक्टूबर तक तो थे। अब 1 अक्टूबर को वो 20,000 रुपए और एडिशन करेंगे और 5 लाख बराबर करेंगे। सी इट, कैपिटल of A and B from 1st October 18 total ₹10 lakh, that is A 10 lakh into 1/2 ₹5 lakh, and B 10 lakh into 1/2 equal to ₹5 lakhs. See, 4,80,000 was earlier, 1st April. Now on 1st October, the capital of A become 5 lakh. He will introduce 20,000. And B, on 1st April, his capital was 5,40,000. Now it will become ₹5 lakh. He will draw ₹40,000. How to calculate interest on it? See the calculation of interest. Calculation of interest on capital A from 1st April 2018 to 1st October 2018 on ₹4,80,000 at the rate of 6% per annum from 1st April to 1st October, 6 months, for 6 months. 6 2 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 cut. Now 3 0 3 0 3 8 ja 24, carry 2 3 4 ja 12 and 2 14. Now from 1st October 2018 to 31st March 2019 on ₹5 lakhs into 6% into 6/12. 6 2 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 cut. Now 15,000. Total interest 29,400 of A. Likewise B. From 1st April 18 to 1st October 18 on rupees 5,40,000, 6%, 6 by 12. $16,200 from 1st October 2018 to 31st March 5 lakhs at the rate of 6% per annum for 6 months. $31,200. So B's interest on capital is 29,400 and A's capital interest on capital is 29,400 and B's interest on capital is 31,200. Today we learn how to prepare partner's capital account, that is on the fixed basis and fluctuating basis. And we also learn how to calculate the interest on capital. This is enough for today. Now further topic we will study in the next class. Thank you.